out here at the lake today.
You had so much swag at the end.
Walk the plank.
Okay, we're out here at the lake today, and we're gonna be blasting 3 targets, 2 out there on buoys and on a boat. You guys ready for that?
Oh,
Yeah, let's do it!
I'm over here aiming at targets and I'm like, oh, it's going over there. All right.
I think my favorite moment was my boy Brett right here. He went around the second target and he goes, yeah!
Different, like you doing a moving target.
Yeah,
though.
it's like we're in a
Instead
movie.
of like,
The wind
you know,
takes
the
the target all the
standstill.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was insane, but doesn't it feel like in the beginning when we're getting ready for it, I'm like, I feel like a super spy right now.
That's right. Like an agent.
It's kind of bumpy, right? When you're going around it and everything.
Yeah.
And then going on to the second one.
So
Wait.
much fun. It was like the craziest thing.
My favorite thing is when you came around afterwards, you had so much swag at the end of your thing. You're like,
We're on, you know the deal.
yeah,
You
Know the
won.
business.
You know it's going down.
All right, guys, let's take a look at the NERF House Leaderboard.
Last place, where we're gonna stay positive, we're gonna have fun, and I'm just gonna use this momentum to get me back to first place. So, let's get it started. Oh, I got the orange. I got the orange. I got the orange, the small one.
Yeah.
What this means is that you have to dress in a pirate suit. And basically talk like a pirate, and you get to pick someone else to do it with you.
2 people to do it.
Just do it.
Ahoy, matey. Arr.
Dressing up as pirates tonight, right?
I get the boots?
No, you get the whole thing. You get this. Yep.
What's a pirate's favorite letter?
You'd
No.
think so, but it's really the C.
Down in the booty, we shake our booty.
He needs to walk the plank.
He needs to walk the plank.
Walk the plank.
You need to walk the plank.
The plank, walk it.
Oh wait, I found me treasure.
On the next episode of NERF House Showdown.